7 months ago, I received a few Nepenthes seeds from Carnivero, and it's now time to review how they grow, how they evolve, how big they are at 5 months and 7 months. So coming up. 7 months ago, on March, I received some seeds from Carnivero. These are a complex hybrid of Nepenthes. As you see, there is a lot of parents there. It's a big mix of different species, so there will be a lot of variation on the offspring, on the seedlings, and we will see that in a few months. But right now, I want to show you how they evolved. And if you want to learn how to sow some Nepenthes seeds, I will have a video at the end. So let's see how they evolved after 5 months. As you see, the substrate, the sphagnum, is covered with moss, algae, mold. It's normal. But you see that the seedlings are here and they are alive. I will have to repot them in fresh media, but right now there is some brand new plants. And I also sowed some Drosera seeds on it to try to prevent the fungus gnats to go crazy on the poor little seedlings. But for now they are tiny, but they will grow faster later and they may protect the plants. And there is always some random weed that will grow on sphagnum, but it's okay. I mean, the Drosera is also here. Hopefully it will prevent all the fungus gnat larvae to go eat some tiny roots. And among all the seeds, I got the Botswana BE hybrid, was the one the more successful. Like so many seedlings, I will have to repot and separate them right now. They are already crowded, and because I want to change the media, the substrate, I will separate them. Now let's see how they have evolved after 7 months after being sown. Really quick, if you're new here, I explain everything about growing Nepenthes on a windowsill or in a grow tent. So if you love pitcher plants, make sure you subscribe. Let's go back to the video now. Okay, so the seedlings are 7 months old now, and we'll see. So that's the one on the top. The 6 on the top, that's the one from Carnivero. The 4 on the low are not, so we will only focus on these ones. Okay, let me show you better. Here, so they are those are the 6, and again the Botswana BE, that's the one. The seeds, the germination was fantastic. So many seedlings. The plant is promising to be great color. That's the fast-growing seedlings. So this is the first one. The 4 fastest growing seedlings were repotted separately 2 months ago. And now I had to separate even more because they are all starting to get bigger. So that's the 4. I have other ones here, 4. And as you see here, it's a mess again. So I will need to separate them right now. And they will very probably take half of this tray when they are separated. So seedlings can take a lot of space. Keep that in mind, especially when you have great seeds. But not all the seeds will germinate at the same ratio. This Truncata hybrid, it's good, but less impressive than the Botswana. The Botswana is definitely in another league. It's fantastic. So this one, good one. Really, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, around 10, 15 seedlings, and they are healthy, so it's good. Here, oh, the Maxima Pierensis, you got it. That's the one. Again, fantastic color. I can't wait to see if they get some stripes or red, but that's gonna be cool. And as you see, there is the Binata, Drosera Binata, that is here, like guarding the poor seedlings, because there is less seedlings on this one. Probably less than 10, but they are healthy. So right now you don't need 100 seedlings of one species. Me, I don't want that. I prefer having different species and having a bigger collection. This one, Maxima by Campanulata. Again, the Binetta is crazy. So that's the complex hybrid by LVB. So that's cool. That could be also be a great picture. Right now, probably less than 10. But I mean, they are healthy. They are not struggling. The leaves are thick. That's a great plant. Overall, the seeds were very nice. So thanks again for Carnivero for those seeds, because seeds from Nepenthes are not easy to find, especially the good one. And now I will very probably spend an hour to repot. So let me show you what I will do. I will just keep them here in their pots because they don't need to be separated right now. They have enough space for everybody. But the Botsiana hybrid will have to be separated. Those are okay, but the one crowded in the center, I think they will need and use way more space, like half. Because when they will start being bigger, they will cast shadow on each other and the roots will start to be mixed up. It's gonna be a hell. So it's right now that we need to separate them. And here it is. An hour after, yes, it took an hour, half of the tray. One single species. Not species, cross. But they are all the same. As you see, there is a lot of variation. Not so much in color right now, but in speed, there is. And those, probably in 3 to 5 months, I will separate them individually. That's not easy to say for me. And that's going to be a full tray. So overall, I really recommend those seeds. If you want to see the video when I received these seeds, here is the video. If you have ordered seeds from Carnivero, please let me know what you took and how they grew. And until next time, happy growing!